Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. So guys, I have a brand new Kroger updated deals video. Now today is Monday, December 27th of 2021, and I am going to be showing you some new deals I have not shown you in videos prior for this sale that has gone on for almost 2 weeks. So the new sale starts on the 29th. If you have not seen all of my videos that have come out, the must-do deals videos, the updated deals videos, all those things, you definitely want to go to my YouTube channel and start watching those videos so you get in all of those deals. However, if you have been watching and you are looking forward to the new sale that is starting on the 29th, I have an ad preview video that just came out yesterday. So check out that video. I'll put it at the very end of this video for you so you can click on that and watch that video at the end of this video. Now that video, we are going to talk about the new mega sale that is happening, a buy 5 or more, save $1 each mega sale. You definitely want to check out everything that's going on. And guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel, you need to do that right now because I'm going to be putting out some major videos this week. Tomorrow is going to be an advertised deals video based on the ad for the 29th, and then on the 29th we're going to have a brand new must-do deals video. We're going to have updated deals on Kroger going on through the next week. So many things are happening. You want to make sure that you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss a single thing. Alright, so I continue to talk. I'm going to stop talking and we're going to talk about the deals that are happening. You only have the 27th and the 28th to grab these specific deals, so make sure you do them as soon as possible. Alright, first freebie and moneymaker deal are these Frutella gummies. These are regularly priced $1.99. They are $1.50 each. We have an Ibotta rebate for $1 back on one. We also have a Kroger cashback rebate for $1 back on one. Both are a limit of 5 times, so your final cost is completely free and you're going to make 50 cents for each bag. So if you do decide to grab all 5 of these, you're actually going to get them all 5 free and make $2.50. Really crazy deal. I tried these when they were free a couple weeks ago, and I think they're really good. Now, my kids did not care for them. I don't know why they like gummies. I don't know if they just didn't have enough sugar in them or what was going on, but I thought they were really good, and eventually over time I did finish these off. They're not going to be good for my keto journey that I'm going to be starting at the beginning of the year again. Yes, I'm going to be starting all over again. However, these are good, so I'm just going to leave them like that. Hopefully your kids like them or you like them. Either way, they're great. Alright, so I am excited about this deal. I just happened to stumble across it this morning almost by accident, but I'm so excited. The Beyond Burger Patties 2 count. These are regularly priced $5.99. Now, we don't even have a sale price, and we're still going to get these for free this week, so that is unbelievable. Out of pocket, you do have to pay that $5.99, so it is a little bit high on the out of pocket. Submit to Ibotta for $3.50 back on one. It's a limit of 3 times. Submit to Fetch for 2,500 points, which is basically $2.50 back. That is a limit of 2 times. So your final cost is going to be completely free. I am so excited about this deal. Now, the best thing you want to do is grab 2 of these, pay almost $12 and get that $12 back. That's going to max out the Fetch rewards and give you $7 back from Ibotta. So really, really great deal here. If you like these Beyond Burgers, let me know in the comments. I actually have some in the freezer. I've never actually tried these myself, even though I have purchased them on Freebies. I think my husband has jumped into and grabbed a couple of them, but we really liked the pound of like ground beef for Beyond Beef. I think it's called Beyond Beef. And so I am definitely looking forward to trying these Beyond Burgers too. Completely free, super easy deal. Next deal we have here is the Justin's protein bars. Now, I know this was in my must-do deals video, but I wanted to let you know that Kroger cashback did reload last week. I kind of took some time off because of Christmas and all that good stuff. But on Thursday, the Kroger cashback did reload, so you're going to grab more of these for 29 cents. They're regularly priced $2.29. You do have to pay that out of pocket. Ibotta has $1 back on one. Kroger cashback has a reloaded $1 back on one, both up to 5 times. Final cost 29 cents each. If you like these, you definitely want to stock up yet again because you had these the week before, and now that it's reloaded, you can grab 5 more of these for just 29 cents each. Okay, the Cheetos mac and cheese are regularly priced at $1.59. They're on sale for $1 this week. You do have to pay that out of pocket, but Ibotta has 20 cents back and Kroger Cashback also has 20 cents back. So your final cost for these are just 60 cents. I'm going to tell you, we grabbed these a couple weeks ago when they were part of the weekly digital. And they're fine, they're mac and cheese, but we weren't too excited about the original ones, like the plain ones. Now, my kids don't do spicy or anything like that, so we just tried the regular ones, and it was okay. I just didn't think that they were like as Cheeto-y as I thought they were going to be. My kids were like, they're just okay. So let me know in the comments what you think about these. There's also the cup mac and cheese for the same price. Obviously, you're going to get more from the box, but if you're looking for any kind of Ibotta bonus, this is a pretty good deal. Cheeto mac and cheese cups are regularly priced $1.29. You pay that. Actually, they're on sale for $1, and you're going to pay out of pocket just $1. Submit to Ibotta for 20 cents back on one, at Kroger Cashback for 20 cents back on one, both up to 5 times. Again, 60 cents each. I definitely would buy the boxes over the cups, but if you're going for some sort of Ibotta bonus, maybe you got to finish off that giant bonus, the one that's like $45 back, this would be a great one just to grab. It's $1 out of pocket, and you're going to get 40 cents back on it. Great deal. All right, now I thought this deal was really great. So the Hungry Jack mashed potatoes, these are regularly priced $3.99, but they are on sale this week for $2.79. There is a $1 off one coupon in Smart Source 11.7. We've had this come out obviously a while ago, almost 2 months ago, and it's still available. I forget when it does expire, but it's a while before it expires. So out of pocket, you're going to pay $1.79 for these. Submit to Ibotta for 75 cents back on one. It's a limit of 5 times. And then you can submit to Kroger Cashback for 75 cents back on one. Now, it's a limit of 1 time. It does expire on the 29th. So go ahead and grab it now because this is going to be the best deal you're going to get. Final cost is going to be 29 cents for this big box of mashed potatoes, which I think is an amazing deal. Definitely am going to grab this one. We also have a deal on the Thomas Swirl bread, 16 ounce, regularly priced $3.79, on sale for $3. You're going to pay that out of pocket. We do have a Kroger cashback for 50 cents back on one. It's a limit of 3 times. Final cost is $2.50. I'm actually going to hold and wait to use this Kroger cashback because we're going to see the Thomas Swirl bread pop up in our mega sale starting Wednesday. So my suggestion is to wait on this, but we do have this Kroger cashback available for you if you haven't used it already. All right, Act Kids toothpaste, regularly priced $2.99. We have a new either digital or printable coupon that has come out. It's $1.25 off one. Now, both of these coupons are for any of your Act products, so if you prefer like Act mouthwash or something like that, definitely grab that product. This is the cheaper product that we're looking at, is the kids toothpaste. The final cost for at least the kids toothpaste is $1.74, but like I said, if you are looking for the Act mouthwash or the Act toothpaste, like adult toothpaste, you can use this coupon on those as well. Okay guys, there's 2 coupons I'm going to tell you to print and hold. So we have 2 printable coupons that have popped up over the weekend. One is the L'Oreal Paris. It's 3 off 2 for your LV shampoo and conditioner. And then we also have the $1 off 2 on your ready-to-eat cereals or granola from Quaker. Now the deals going on for either one of these products are not too hot at Kroger, but I'm going to tell you to print and save these because we're probably going to see sales pop up here, especially with that mega sale happening. So I want to make sure that you get these coupons. I'll have them linked in the description box below. If you can do me a huge favor and print from my link, that will help me out a ton, but it's not going to change anything for you. I'm an affiliate of coupons.com. It gives me a little kickback, very little kickback, but when lots of you are printing, it does help me out a ton. It helps me to continue to do these videos for you. So I appreciate you clicking that link and printing from there. Okay guys, that's all I have for you this week. If you like this updated deals video, give me a great big thumbs up. I'm not planning on doing another updated video tomorrow. I'm planning on doing the advertised deals video, but if something hot pops up, I definitely will clue you in on that. So be sure that you're subscribed to my channel in case I do have that video, and you definitely want the advertised deal video tomorrow. Have a great week and I'll see you later. Bye guys.